Minimum forms of switching function. This is the first topic in second module. See students, whenever we are realizing any function using AND gate and OR gate, the cost of realizing is depend on the number of gates we used in the circuit and number of input we used in the circuit. And we are going to see about Karnaugh map only. This Karnaugh map is used in the simplification of digital circuits. So by using that we can minimize the expression. There are two methods. There are two methods to minimize the expression. Sum of product, this is also called SOP, product of sum, it's also called POS. So this you can see here, first one SOP, sum of product. Here I have used three AND gates, gate 1, gate 2, gate 3, three AND gates and one OR gate. See, you know that this AND gate will give the product of inputs. You can see I have taken input A and B are the input of first AND gate, B bar, C second input, A, C bar, this is the third input. Okay, so here I will get the product of two inputs A, B, here B bar C, here A, C bar I will get. So this is the sum, this is the product of these inputs. Next I have OR gate, this is AND gate, I have OR gate. What OR gate will do? It will give the sum of all the three inputs. All the three inputs are A, B bar C, A, C bar. So here I will get A, B plus B bar C plus A, C bar. So this is my sum of product. This is SOP. In POS what we will do? So in SOP, in first stage we had AND gate, in the second stage we had OR gate. In POS method, POS is just opposite to SOP. In POS method, first OR gate will be there. Next is AND gate. So it will give the sum of input. So the output of this AND gate is A plus B, B bar plus C, A plus C bar. So in the second stage I have AND gate. AND gate will give the products of input. My three inputs are A plus B, B bar plus C, A plus C bar. So here I will get A plus B, B bar plus C, A plus C bar. So this is my product of sums. So these are the two minimizing technique used in the Karnaugh map. Okay, you see the first question. Find a minimum SOP expression for function of ABC is equal to summation m of 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So I am going to solve this by using SOP method. Solution. See in the question we got hexa values. Our first step is converting hexa values into functional values. So first I have to convert 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So this is basic. Only in this question I will explain this. From next question I won't explain this directly. I will write the functional. 0. In last class I explained how to convert this hexa values to binary values. So we will use 8, 4, 2, 1 code, right? So 0 means actually this is only A, B, C, 3 variable function. So we no need to write this 8, only 4 to 1. So 0 means everything should be 0. Okay. Now I am not going to write in binary form. I am going to write in functional form. Okay. So I have to use these three variables in the function A, B, C. So by using A, B, C, how to represent 0? See, 0 means in all the three locations it should be 0. Okay, but which are the variables I have to use? A, B, C I have to use. Okay, So in the place of A, I will write if this location is 1, I will write A. If this location is 0, I will write A bar. So now it is A 0 only, so A bar, B bar, C bar, C bar. So I am writing this A bar, B bar, C bar. Next 1 means the binary representation is 0, 0, 1. Binary representation is 0, 0, 1. I am going to convert this as a function. So I will write A bar, B bar, C. Next 2. 2 is 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 binary form. So I will write A bar, B, C bar. Like that 5 is 1, 0, 1. So A, B bar, C. 6 is 1, 1, 0. So A, B, C bar. 7 is 1, 1, 1. A, B, C. Now I can write the function f is equal to, this is sum of product. So first is 0. So it is nothing but this is summation of min terms. Sum of, so 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. This is the meaning of this function. Okay, so now I can write A bar, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar, C plus A bar, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A, B, C bar plus A, B, C. Okay. Now this is just to minimize, I am going to minimize the expression. Okay. So in first two terms, A bar, B bar are common. So I am going to take these two terms commonly out. So I will get C plus C bar. So first two terms is done. I am done with the first two terms. Next second term you check it. Okay, so in these two terms I am not getting two terms common, so I am taking this term with the next term. So see here, I am going to do this with this and this. I am going to minimize this term and this term. So here B is common and C bar is also common. So what I can write? B, C bar, A plus A bar I get plus. So now I am minimizing this and this. Here A is common and C is common. So I can write A, C, B plus B bar. B plus B bar. Okay, now we all know A plus A bar equal to 1. A plus A bar is equal to 1. So if you apply this, you will get A bar, B bar plus B, C bar plus A, C. This is the answer. So you copied on the question. Okay, see here the first two terms A, B bar, D bar are common. So remaining term C plus C bar. In next two terms B bar, C bar, D are common. So remaining we will get A plus A bar. In the next last two terms B, C bar, D are common. We will get A and A bar. So next step is this we will get 1. So remaining A plus. Check whether you can still minimize this. See, you can see these two terms, C bar, D are common. So what you can do? What you can write? A plus B bar into